I am Lourdes C. Suarez from BSED Science 3 student. In this video, I will memorize the periodic table of elements within the atomic number 41 to 18. Niobium, Nb, molybdenum, Mo, technetium, Tc, ruthenium, Ru, rhodium, Rh, palladium, Pd, silver, Ag, cadmium, Cd, indium, In, tin, Sn, antimony, Sb, tellurium, Ta, iodine, I, xenon, Xa, cesium, Cs, barium, Ba, lanthanum, La, cerium, Ca, praseodymium, Pr, neodymium, Indi, promethium, Pm, samarium, Sm, europium, Au, gadolinium, Gd, terbium, Tb, dysprosium, Dy, holmium, Ho, erbium, Er, thallium, Tm, ytterbium, Yb, lutetium, Lu, hafnium, Hf, tantalum, Ta, tungsten, W, rhenium, Ra, osmium, Os, iridium, Er, platinum, Pt, gold, Au, mercury, Hg.